kubwatia rogote babuna ekiombe ekigokora ho botatigia Politrack Afrika niko kiabatokira Oroboti rwaya rwabene urugo kumurikera bokoreri bwa governor nabo go haba senators umwako igabwikiri bubere ndongebere na isano na ibere ekiombe kyo niko bono kya nyatko bakego sangiriye birengererio kurwa 7 kiri 13 emyemo 44 sebono bare kumurikera amagendero ase chitaoni he sector yobo chanu obwagachi wechipare sector chisemi nemerobiri gusangiriya ebango muri kito Julia obuba agotomanya senchero OGOIKERANIA
ekiombe ekigokora obotatigia Politrack Afrika niko kiabatikira Oroboti rwa erwabene uroko murekera obokoreri bwa bagavana amo n'abaseneta ase omwaka ogwechiri bubere 2025.
And it looked at on-source revenue growth, also audit compliance, procurement, integrity, and also addressing the pending bills. The third pillar was looking on governance and leadership. It weighted 25%, particularly public participation. Was it something that was employed by the county governments? Staff welfare of the staff within the county governments, and also the political stability. How are they addressing this? Because as I've alluded to,
OMOGABANA Simba ARATI na FARNANDEZ baraza OMOGABANA Kakamega niko bobata ina sena mbe yemo ayakubatikana na Politrack Africa. Ekiombe ekyo niko gyasangirete birengerero kura 7 kiri 13 emyeye 44 asibare ko murekera amagendera chitaoni sector obochenu obwagachi bwechipara sector echisemi amonomerobero yo gusangiririe bango.
Now this comprehensive report done by Politrack Africa between the 1st of November to the 1st of December looks at delivering an integrated performance assessment by focusing on public opinion data as well as a nationwide survey. Particularly 13,144 respondents were involved in this study.
Julia Obuba, Ensoko TV.